Super Plus system, replacement. What to do in case the replacement of a piece is required or if a gap has been left uncovered when the scaffold was removed. Let's see below. The first step is to move the clips on the rail of the horizontal profile until the gap of the new part is released. The polyurethane filler is applied in the corrugated part of the continuous horizontal profiles. The Frontek piece is placed. Then the clips are moved again, taking advantage of the 6 mm space left between the pieces, thus guaranteeing the stability of the piece. In this way, the ventilated facade is completed without visually appreciating the modification made with respect to the initial assembly. Grupo Greco Grez Internacional. Building the future together.